Hello friend, welcome once again to my channel. How to know? Today I'm going to tell about the listing of the ONBUFF, it mean ONIT on the gate.io. So please subscribe first of all if you are not a member of the how to know, and description link is given in so sign up link is given in the description section, and use that for the sign up on the gate.io and start earning and start participating in the new listing. So let's start. First of all, the name of token is ONBUFF, and short name of the token is ONIT, and it is going to list on the gate.io. Its a voting event is ended now, so you can now participate in the listing. So first of all, Gate.io would like to thanks to everyone for participations, and the listing is going to be done on the Gate.io at 13th of January from the 8 a.m. So please participate, and I'm making video on 2 p.m. So you can, you are already late, so you can still buy this token. So. ONIT listing. What is ONIT listing? First of all, you can see here ONIT US dollar trading will be open on 13th of January and 8:00 a.m. UTC on the gate.io. Withdrawal service will be available after reward. When the reward will given, then withdrawal services will also enable. So here you can find the deposit link from where from using this you can directly deposit in the ONIT. Okay, airdrops is also announced on the gate.io. The all the participants, top 10 participants are chosen as a winner for the voting purpose. You can see here all the voter in this vote are eligible for the airdrop rewards. Below is the list of the top 10 rewards. View your rewards in my wallet section. All the participants can see their reward, and here some amount of some list of the user winners are shown here. And first of all, I would like to congratulate all of users who win over here, and get participate continuously. And you can see here eligible participants, all the GT holder on the gate.io. 1 GT is equal to 1 vote, and also calculation is given over here, so you can easily be a part of this. The best part of the gate.io is you can participate on each and every listing. You have get notified on every new listing if you are enabling the listing thing. So there's a best thing. Result announcement is after voting, which are ended. Reward will be distributed to the voter and the time of trading, withdrawal, and deposit token will be posted. So either here you can see reward and payment calculation, airdrop currencies, airdrop reward of the winner project will be distributed after voting. For example, a voter voting project A, like A is the project, if seen a support project A, okay, by voting, and seen would be qualified to buy a certain amount of project A. It means like here we are talking about the ONIT. If someone is supporting ONIT, then he will stand to get some ONIT as a reward. Okay, so here it can be easy. So it is very easy to get sign up on the gate.io. Just you have to use link given in the description section to sign up on the gate.io. After signing up, you will get bonus, as you can see here. Sign up to enter the crypto gateway and get 40% commission from the referral. You can get 40% from each referral. So I hope this information is very helpful to you all.